Grade 11, this is exercise 2, the worksheet. The opposite document shows some cells in different phases of mitosis. Identify the phases of cells A, B, C, and D. As we can see, the chromosomes are lining at the middle. So this is metaphase because we have equatorial plate. Cell B, we can see that the chromosomes are out of the nucleus. We have lost the nuclear membrane and they are being condensed. So this is prophase. So this is metaphase. This is prophase. Cell C, we have polar ascension. As you can see, the sister chromatids are separating toward opposite poles. So this is anaphase. And cell D, we have two daughter cells, and this is a plant cell. We don't have asters nor a cleavage furrow. We have constriction, as you can see in the cell wall. So this is telophase. Schematize the phase of the plant cell. So these are the answers for part A. Part B, schematize the phase of the cells C for 2n equal 6 chromosomes. C is anaphase. Okay, أنا بدي أرسم الأنافيز. أنا بحاجة ل 6 fibers فوق لأنه 2n equal 6 chromosomes. So the total number of chromosomes is 6. أنا بدي 6 fibers وحأرسم هون each fiber is carrying 1 chromatid. Okay, أنا ما عندي asters because this is an animal, a plant cell, and we have cell wall. الرسمة حتكون بهيدا الشكل. بنرسم الرسمة أكيد مع labeling ل cell wall, cytoplasm, cell membrane, the fibers and the chromosome of one chromatid in addition to the title. Part C, explain the changes that occur during interphase. أنا بعرف بالinterphase the chromosomes pass from a state of having one chromatid لحتى يصير عندي two chromatids. أنا بسميها chromosome duplication. I can say DNA replication. So the quantity of genetic information will double, okay? Increase to double. This is exercise 3. Now, for any cell to divide, it must pass in a cell cycle. The following document summarizes the main steps occurring during a cell cycle for a certain cell. Name stages 1 and 2 of cell cycle. This is stage 1. أنا بstage 1 عندي the chromosomes were made up of one chromatid. صار عندي made up of two chromatids. This is a stage. Stage means phase, مرحلة. أنا بسميها هيدا المرحلة أكيد هي الانترفيز. Okay. Stage 2, I can see I have one daughter cell. بس خلصت stage 2 صارت أنا عم بحصل على two daughter cells. So stage 2 is mitosis. So stage 2 is mitosis. Compare the aspect of chromosome in a cell A1 and A2. As we can see, A1, the cell is made up of one chromatid. Sorry, the chromosomes are made up of one chromatid, whereas in A2, the chromosomes are made up of two chromatids. Name the process responsible for this difference. Process يعني العملية اللي عم بتصير شو اسمها؟ اسمها duplication of chromosomes. So هي duplication of chromosomes. Indicate each of phases X and Y of stage 2. أنا عندي phase X بين عندي the nuclear membrane is disappearing وعم بيصير عندي migration أو عندي الأسترز هدول هن عم بيصيروا asters, formation of asters. So this is prophase. أما phase 2 phase Y أنا عندي cleavage furrow هون ونيوكلير membrane هيته عم بيرجع هون it is disappearing هون عم بيرجع. So this is telophase or the beginning of telophase. Refer to the above document. Indicate one characteristic of this type of division. The characteristic here is mitosis conserves the genetic information. هيدي من خصائص الميتوسيس إنها ما بتغير genetic information in the mother cell and in the two daughter cells. These are the answers presented. I will be sending them as PDF so that you can write them on your copybooks if you want. Finally, we go to the last exercise, exercise 4. Part 1 and part 2 are cancelled. We're not gonna solve them. We'll go direct to part 3. Okay, البارت اللي خاصه دغري بالkaryotype. Name diagram 2. Diagram 2 is a karyotype. What does it show? It shows a set of arranged chromosomes. Identify the sex of the fetus. This fetus is a male because he has XY, أو في يقله because he has 2 non-homologous sex chromosomes. Indicate أكيد you know that identify with justification. What indicate the number of chromosome, compare it with that of a normal individual. أنا إذا بعدهم كلهم أوكي حيطلع عندي 47 لأنه عندي 3 copies of chromosome 21. Number of chromosomes أنتوا بتعرفوا chromosomal number أنا ببلش ب 2n. بما أنه هون عندي زيادة 2n plus 1 equal 47 chromosomes. Compare it with that of a normal individual. Normal individual أكيد ال 47 is less than a normal individual يلي عنده 46 chromosomes. أكيد لازم أكتبهم as a text. Conclude the type of the cell from which the chromosomes are taken. يعني إذا diploid or haploid cells، إذا somatic أو gametes. أكيد نحنا عنا somatic cells أو يلي هن diploid cells because they have, as you can see here بالdiagram، أنا عندي 2 copies of each chromosomes أو the chromosomes are arranged in pairs. Specify أكيد with justification the chromosomal abnormality shown by this diagram. So this is trisomy. This is trisomy 21 لأنه أنا عندي 3 copies of chromosome 21. Finally, list the criteria used to arrange chromosome as shown in diagram 2. أنا شو هن على أي أساس برتب الكروموسومز. أكيد decreasing order of size, position of centromere, and dark and light banding pattern. أنا زدت an extra part يلي هو بال9. Write the chromosomal formula of diagram 2. chromosomal formula بتبلش بال total number of chromosomes يلي هون 45 بتبلش بال total number of autosomes يلي هي 45 autosomes. اوكي plus شو عنده sexy chromosome XY. اوكي وبتوين brackets بنحط شو هو الكروموسوم يلي زايد. اوكي this is it in the worksheet.